Gusto mag-work from home pero takot dahil wala masyadong tech skills? Looking for something that's flexible, output-based kung pwede, non-voice, then social media management and marketing is for you. So the key skills that you need to develop if you want to be a social media manager, number one obviously would be creativity. Kailangan medyo pakak yung iyong writing and communication skills. Kailangan may awareness ka sa mga social media trends. Good at time management, a little bit of the design and editing skills. And obviously, you have to have common sense para marunong kang mag-analyze ng data. Kasi some parts of an SMM's role involves content creation, content and calendar management, community engagement, analytics and reporting, strategy development, platform management, and all that nitty-gritty stuff. The good news is this is something that you can learn. So matututo ka kung paano mag-manage ng mga pages, gumawa ng mga contest na nakakakuha ng attention. And paano mo i-schedule yung mga posts na yon tuwing kailan. And to answer na rin yung question ni Kenneth kanina, sino nga ba ang juicy na coach ng SMM natin? That's no other than #pinaka-juicy Edina Spark, the founder and CEO of Spark Creatives. And guys, ang first day ng class neto ay ngayon ng June 12 ha, 4 till 8 p.m. 2 days kasi yung live na training. June 12 at saka June 19. If you guys wanna join, click the link in my bio. Click ang GigHub. Sa GigHub, nandito na kailangan nyo para makapag-start na mag-work from home ha. But, under live mentorship, i-click nyo lang 999 Social Media Management and Marketing. And yes, 999 pesos lang siya. Kasama na doon ang internship, kasama na doon yung tutuluan namin kayo kung paano maghanap ng clients at ihanda ang lahat na kailangan yung ihanda para makapag-apply. So, kung nag-iintay ka ng sign para magsimula, perhaps this video is that. If any questions you guys have about working from home, follow from our work from home chismis, and we'll see you at the classroom. Bye!